Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type X bar in Microsoft Word. So there are two methods. First method, type X, then insert, and in the symbol select this font as a normal text and subset from this list. Find out this spacing modifier letters and find out this bar. Select it. This is the character code 0305 and its shortcut key 0305 following by Alt plus X. So select it, then insert. So this is the first method. Second method, type here X, now 0305, select 0305, now press Alt plus X, so Alter key and X. So using this shortcut you can type X bar, zero 0305 and Alt plus X, it's a shortcut. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.